Hi, thanks for using OurChurch.com's WPEZ website builder. It's WordPress made easy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit the settings for an image slider. So as you can see on our sample page here, we have an image slider already created and installed. So if we want to change the settings to either make it faster or slower or bigger or smaller, we can do that. We go into the dashboard, and then under the More menu, we select Image Slider, Rotator, and now we can go to Edit, and you'll see here there is a Config tab. So here we have some options. We've got the theme, which we can just keep as it is. Slider dimensions, and we can edit this. Now, one of the things about the slider dimensions is because your website is a responsive website, it adjusts to the size of the screen that your visitor is using. So the thing that is most important here is not necessarily the size, because that can change, but to make sure that you have the proportions the way that you want them to. Now in this case, 360 by 300, that is a very wide and thin slider. So if I wanted to, I could make this, let's say, 1600 by 900, which is HD dimensions, and we'll see how that plays out in just a bit. Your slider transition is there. Now your slider transition duration is the time in milliseconds that it, how long it's going to be displayed. So if we want to, we can make it shorter, and then we can also make the transition speed longer or shorter. So we can make this this will probably look bad, but we'll do it just so that you can see things in there. You also have the option to crop images in the slider. I recommend this highly. So we'll go with the settings that we have. Now let's go back and take a look at our image slider. Refresh it. Now you'll see that the image, even though I made the image slider wider, because it's constrained by the size of the site itself, it's not actually wider on the screen, but you can see that the proportion, it is taller than it was, proportionately so. And now we get more of those penguins showing in there. So that's the thing that you want to be mindful of, is the proportion. And as you view this on a bigger or smaller screen, it will keep the proportion of the images as they are. So that's how you change the settings for your image slider. Thanks for watching.